Hey guys, this is Lynn from Paper Peas. This afternoon I have a unboxing for 49 in Market. I received a mystery box that I am extremely excited to open. Over the past few weeks, I've kind of grown to like 49 in Market's items. I ended up getting this particular mystery box from a little shop called Wishful Thinking in Nashville, Indiana. And so I happened to see several people on YouTube, and someone happened to mention wishful thinking. And so I just Googled it. And then I found that this person, this particular shop, had this mystery box. So let's get started, okay? Right off the bat, I see this cute little pouch. It says that it has in here some enamel dots, which that'll be fabulous. Oh, yes. These are cute. These are cute. I like these. These are cute. I don't own a lot of enamel dots, but I can see myself using these. These are cute. Set this to the side. I'll be candid. I just got this box, and I have not gone through it, okay? There are some chipboard frames. With 16 of them. They have an adhesive backing on them. I like that. Okay. Some cornflowers. Makes me think of cornflower crafts. I like these. She is adorable. These are some charcoal mini laser cut elements. Okay. Nice. Like these. There appear to be 151 pieces in here, 4 sheets. Okay. This is evergreen season ephemera bits. It's nice. There are 119 die cut shapes in here. I like this. I like this a lot because it can go with evergreen, or it can match this. What is it? I have a scrapbook pad by Vicki Booten, so it can match this too. I like this. It's cute. Okay. These are some cute little florets. It's 12 in a pack. Here is another set of florets. So there's celery and then there's thistle. It's 12 in a pack, each one. There is this color swatch collection pack, 6x8. Okay, these are nice. I can tell by the weight of the pack that this is a really nice cut of paper. This is nice, I like these. Included is kaleidoscope, 6x8 collection. These are nice. So this one has 24 sheets in it. They're double-sided. This one has 18 sheets, double-sided. I like this a lot. Then there is Vintage Artistry Moonlit Garden Spiral Notebook Set. Let's open this up, see what's going on with this. Oh, I like that. I like this a lot. And from the way this looks, I know me, I'll take and reuse this. Yeah, I'll end up, look at this. I'll take and reuse this. This is nice. I like that a lot. All right, let's see what's going on in here. Okay, so you get 2. Now, I don't know if I'll use this as a spiral. I might deconstruct it and use it in something else. But it's the paper is just phenomenal. It really is. It's a very nice paper. And then, this is cute. Once again, the paper itself is just really, really nice. Okay. Pretty. This is actually beautiful, to be honest with you. The paper is truly beautiful. But I'll just be candid. I don't know if I'm going to keep it as a notebook. But it's a nice way to, you know, display these pages. It's really nice. I have been interested in these. I started to purchase some. Started to purchase some. Let me get it open. It's in here kind of tight. I like this. So you've got several tickets. It's nice. I like this a lot. Yeah, these are nice. I like this a lot. I really do. Here is a roll of washi tape as a postage stamp. All right. Okay, it's just different colors. I like this. I like it. It's interesting. I've seen these, and I have been curious. Once again, so this pack includes 3 file folders, 1 double pocket, 2 angled pockets, and 5 envelope pockets. These are cute. These are pretty. I like this pattern. This is pretty. Again, I like that. Okay, let's see how these are going. Okay. All right, I see what you have to do. They've been scored. Okay. Pretty. Pretty. Okay. I like these. These are nice. Love this. A lot. Love that. These are beautiful. This is some beautiful paper. And even, you know, I might take and flip it inside out, but it's beautiful. Hold on, I'm trying to hold too much in my hand. That's the problem. Nice, nice. Okay, now here, okay. Side pockets, okay. These are beautiful. Once again, the paper is just, look at this. This is so nice. The paper in itself is a dream. It's quite lovely. Then there are some rub-on transfer sets. So there's 6 6x8 sheets. I like this. These are the sheets. This is Ocean. So these are the Weaverfly rub-on transfers. There's 3 sheets, 6x12 assorted transfers in here. I truly do love this. Without any hesitation, I genuinely love this a lot. Now, this is something I have been dying to get my hands on. And let me say something else too. The boxes that these are in, the packaging is of such good quality. Wow, this is nice. Okay, here's one. It's a green, lime green. I don't know, chartreuse. To me, I call it chartreuse. This is pretty. This is really nice. This is fabric washi. Oh, wow, look at that. Gorgeous. Just gorgeous. I mean, this is nice. I like this a lot. Excuse me, I'm gonna have to probably order myself some more of these. I think I'm starting to develop a small addiction to 49 and Market products because they're just so doggone, first of all, they're pretty. And then they're of a really good quality. But for me, I'm gonna have to catch them on sale. Oh, look at this. Look at this, wow. Yeah, I like this. Absolute lot. Yep, this is really, really nice. One of the things I do, I've said this before, one of the things I do is lately, because we have so many people that are selling things, oh, this is nice. Sometimes I take and get myself a mystery box so that I can see if it's something I'm going to be interested in. And I happen to come across a couple of other items from 49 and Market, and I'm going to be candid with you. I am in love. The kit includes 4 patterns, 4 12x12 laser cut elements, and 1 sheet of adhesive back chipboard. So here's the chipboard, okay? Let's see what the paper looks like. Okay. This is nice. It's an understatement. This is nice. Kit includes. Uh-oh, I probably should have left that in there. So these, hold on, let me show you something. One, beautiful. Wow, this is pretty. This is just pretty, okay? And you got two. These are not pages that are just sitting out there to be folded over really quick either. This is like real cardstock here. This is beautiful. Here's the back of this. This. So nice. Like really so nice. And these are so pretty. And so here are the elements. I did snag it a little bit when I picked it up, but you know. Hold on. Okay, there it is. All right, so I'm gonna have to keep these inside of the pack until I get ready to use them because these are very delicate. They're paper, but they're very delicate, as you know, okay? So I'm going to take all of these and put these back on here and then turn around and flip over so you can see actually the chipboard. The chipboard is really, really nice. It is. I like it. So far, I am very pleased with this pack. I really am. I'm very, very pleased with this pack. And I even like this little pouch that it came in. So nice. Oh, then they have some extra sheets of paper in here. Let me do this first. Then they have the Evergreen Season 12 by 12 collection pack. Okay, so I'm just going to do this really quick because I have difficulty sometimes getting these things out and trying to get them back in. But this is a really nice set of papers. You're getting 10 double-sided pages, but you're only getting one of each. Then in here we've got, all right, the remaining pages. Let me start putting some things back in here so I can get a little order about myself over here. All right, this is nice. Take them out. I'm gonna take them out like this, make it easy. This is from the Rust and Ravs. I love ledger paper. I do. I just love ledger paper. Okay, this is from Toddler Time Storybook. Love this. I just love the collage of everything on there. That is gorgeous. This is, what is this? This is Cottagecore Moments. So nice. This is a Crafty Garden solid piece. This is one side. I pulled it up closer because there's like a little pattern on here. Okay. Then this is Vintage Orchid, a solid. Now, I think because of my light, it's not picking up on camera the fact that this is like a chartreuse type of green. This is Toddler Time solid paper number 2. Beautiful color. Beautiful color. Just beautiful. This is Willow paper number 1. Just beautiful. This is Toddler Time solid paper number 1. Very nice. This is Evergreen Seasons solid paper number 5. And to wrap it up, this is Evergreen Seasons Yuletide Abundance. This is nice. I just love this. This is very lovely. So I ended up paying, let me see, what did I pay for this? This particular kit was $60, and with my shipping, I paid about $73. I'm going to be very candid with you. I think that this pack, this mystery box, was well worth the money. I think it's extremely lovely. The papers, the tapes, the the stickers, the ticket stickers are nice. I am not disappointed at all with this package. And I have to be candid, I will be purchasing more 49 and Market items in the future. Everyone, as always, thank you so much for taking the time to tune into Paper Peas. Take care. Be safe.